welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is summertime. I'm living in California at the moment, and you know what? Since I've been in my nice room at home again, I've actually given it a couple little upgrades since I've gotten back. So I figured today might be a good day to do a fun little room tour. I guess we can call it the updated 2026 room tour. I think it'll be fun, so let's go. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna move this because I am already so sick of seeing it and there's no way it can be in the video. So we're just going to move it. Okay, so I have put my camera on 0.5 right now. It looks so big, which is really cool looking on video. But basically, here is what you see when you first walk in the room. So here is my bed. I kind of switched over some of the pillows and blankets and stuff recently, and I think it's so cute. I just love the beach theme. And look at my cute little fox. And there's another one up there. So I feel like we should start with this side of the room. So above the headboard of my bed, I have two different shelves. First is my queen shelf with all of my little adorable Funko Pops and my drawings and all of that fun stuff, even a few collectibles like from the Queen Museum and some Queen ice cream from Germany. That was really cool. Anyway, so that is my queen shelf because I love Queen, if you couldn't already tell. And here is my next shelf. So the only problem is this is actually being replaced right now, so it's literally blank. I know that's kind of like awkward looking right there. So we're just gonna kind of ignore that, but I'm getting a replacement very soon. Anyways, these are all my handmade drawings, by the way, in case you didn't already know that. But this is my guitarist's combo drawing. I don't know what you call that, where you put everyone together. Basically, David commissioned me to do a piece like that for him, but then I just made an extra copy for myself, so that was kind of fun. Anyways, down here I have this little Michael Jackson drawing. I'm a huge MJ fan, so yeah, that is such a cool little drawing. I love it. And up here is one of my best pieces of art that I have done in a long time. This is my Michael Jackson tribute board, and it's very big. Just for size comparison, here's my hand. It is a pretty big canvas. So here's the cool thing. It is made on hear that? This thin canvas material. And there are many different elements included. Like for example, for the cool looking shoes and socks down here, I actually used part of a real sock. I used part of an old hair tie. I used some plastic things right here to make shimmers. This is an old jewelry chain. These are some random beads, stickers. This is sheet music. Here's some glitter. Most of this is kind of marker in here. And then more sheet music, a bunch of gems, and this actually comes off the page. Look at that. So it's like 3D element. How cool is that? Anyways, more stickers, some more marker art. I think those eyes look so cool. Little gemstones up here, whatever you want to call them. Marbles, I guess, I don't know. And then for the glove, even though it looks so real in a way, it's actually little crystal rhinestones on top of a paper cutout with some, let me just show you. It actually has some wire and hot glue on the back to help it hold its shape. So yeah, it's literally just paper, but it looks really, really cool from the front. Okay, here's one last overview because I just love it so much and I think it's amazing. Okay, moving on to my nightstand, I've got my little Alexa, of course, my trusty little Alexa. And then oh no, she responded.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh, be quiet, I wasn't talking to you anyways, whatever. Okay, so I have this little Freddie Mercury drawing that I did. So the thing is, this drawing is actually a digital drawing, but I ordered a print of it, which I have never really done before. And the quality ended up being really good. So I'm super happy with how that turned out. And amazing news, I am gonna start selling prints of my work. So I'm super excited about that. If you know me, you know I love fake plants. So here's one right here. And honestly, that is just a start because there's so many more. Anyways, this is the book I'm currently reading. It just happens to be Michael Jackson's autobiography. It's really good so far. Moving over here, I've got this Queen book that is huge and I actually received it as a gift. Look how thick that book is. It's crazy. Anyways, you guys are gonna think I'm insane, but I'm actually reading the entire thing. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I don't know, I just think that's so cool. Anyways, I have this Queen blanket. It's got some cool designs on it. And then down here is my guitar amp. I don't know why there's a piece of trash right there. I'm gonna pick that up. Here's the rest of my big window, super cute. And now we're going to move on to one of my favorite parts of my room. A lot of you probably do already know this, but I'm gonna give you the fun fact anyways. My electric guitar was signed by Brian May himself because I am a huge fan, and oh my gosh, this guitar is absolutely amazing. I just love it. So here's where I keep it, kind of near my amp. Anyways though, here is my desk. We'll start over here. I actually do have one drawing missing here. I'm gonna have to make a new drawing to go there. But this is just where I put cute little drawings I make from like sketchbooks or whatever. Actually, these are both watercolor, but yeah, so that's kind of fun. And then back here, I have a Beatles drawing inspired by my brother Chris because he is a Beatles fanatic. And then down here, plants, supplies, more sketchbooks for days, and then a random cord, I don't know, more old art and stuff like that. Down here is more important stuff because I actually use this like almost every day, so I keep it nearby. It's my sketchbook as well as all of my pencils and tools. So yeah, that's fun. And then I have foil for flattening my watercolor pieces. That is some markers back there. Here's an old sketchbook. And this drawer has craft supplies as well as my recipe book, actually. All my best recipes in there. And my current sketchbooks and current supplies that I'm using. Down here, honestly, more craft stuff, gems, old sketchbooks, just random stuff, I guess. Now on top of my desk, basically just more supplies, a few drawings here and there. Don't mind this little lampshade. It's like so trashy. I was sick of the light shining in my eyes, so I taped sticky notes to it, so now it actually shines on the artwork instead of my eyes. So I don't know, it's kind of helpful, but it just looks really stupid. Anyways, I recently replaced my famous blue fox drawing and put this here instead because I think it does look pretty cool. Oh, and I finished this drawing challenge. I told myself I would not be allowed to erase the entire time, and I only used color pencils, no normal graphite. And honestly, I think it turned out really cool. It's Michael Jackson, by the way. So yeah, that was a really fun one to do, especially because I've never used purple paper. Moving on, I have this big project I'm working on. And when you first see it, you're probably like, okay, that looks a little weird. Like, what is that? It's an eye, but there's no eyelashes, nothing fancy yet. It's very plain. All I've done is add marker, but I'm going to be adding more detail with color pencil. And if you look really closely, you might recognize something. You might not, but you might. And I want you to tell me in the comments if you guys recognize anything there. And yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Anyways, here's my iPad I use for all my references, as well as all of my digital art, obviously. And then up here, I just have a few little Eevee collectibles. They're adorable. Then homemade pipe cleaner dragons that I made, which by the way, this little guy has fully extendable wings. So that's really cool. This, another potted plant, of course. And here's my little Groot sitting next to his plant. My water bottle, some extra sketchbooks I'm deciding what to do with. And then up on the top of the desk is where I like to display a lot of my hyper-realistic drawings because I do think that they look pretty cool. Now, once we move to this side of the room, please ignore my ugly suitcase back there. Anyways, this is my acoustic guitar that I love so much. It is so beautiful. You guys have to look at the back because, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. It's like the color of the ocean and I love it so much. It's a Paul Reed Smith and look at all the birds. Okay, anyways, here is my bookshelf. This is one of the main things I've reorganized lately. I've actually gotten rid of a lot of books and I've actually put my entire Groot shelf over here. See, you might remember my Groot shelf used to be right there, but I switched it so I could have my musician stuff up there and my collectibles all together. So it looks pretty cute. Here's all my books with my excessive amount of watercolor homemade butterfly bookmarks, which are so cute. Little fox down there, and I do actually love these crowds. I think they are so pretty. And this book, oh my gosh, if you haven't read it, go read it right now. It's amazing. Now down here, more collectibles. I used to have a bunch more books down here, but I just haven't read them in a while. I got rid of a whole bunch, and I just kept a few of my childhood favorites because why not? And I'm sure I can pass it down someday. Anyways, down here is old sketchbooks, old canvases, but also a couple new canvases. And of course, look at this adorable plant. Okay, moving on to this side, you have my laundry basket. Wow, how exciting. Okay, no. Anyways, cute little piece of pineapple decor. Next to my dresser, I've got some Groot stuff, cute little whale shark drawing next to some shells and all my sunglasses, more plants, sparkly little A decoration, A for Alyssa. And then up here is my little tropical wall that I think is so cute. And then there's my potted plant and my dresser. Okay, I'm just gonna do a 0.5 overview for you guys so you can see a little bit better because it's hard to capture everything. I know it's a little grainy on 0.5, but at least you guys can get a better idea. Okay, so that is basically it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I think that my room looks pretty cute right now. I love all my artsy stuff, all the colorful stuff. I don't know, I just love it. It's just so me. So it's a lot of fun living in this room because, I don't know, I just love it so much. It's so cute. Anyways, make sure you guys tell me what you think and maybe what kind of videos you want to see next on my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!